Getting into a car accident is one of those things you hope never happens, but if it does, knowing what to do can make all the difference. The moments right after a crash are stressful, but staying calm and following the right steps helps protect you legally and financially. The very first thing is safety. Take a deep breath, check yourself and your passengers for injuries, and if possible, move your car out of traffic to a safe spot. Turn on your hazard lights. If anyone is hurt, call emergency services immediately. Next, it's time to exchange information. Get the other driver's name, contact details, license plate number, insurance info, and driver's license number. If there are witnesses around, ask for their contact info too. It might come in handy later. Don't forget to document the scene. Take photos of both cars, the road conditions, traffic signs, and any visible injuries. The more details you have, the stronger your claim will be if there's a dispute. One thing that's easy to forget is to avoid admitting fault. Even saying something simple like "I'm sorry" could be used against you. Stick to the facts when talking to the other driver or the police. Once you're safe and the immediate situation is under control, contact your insurance company as soon as possible. Most providers have a 24-hour claims line. Give them the details, share your photos, and be honest about what happened. They'll guide you through the next steps. If your car isn't drivable, your insurer may help arrange a tow or rental. If you're injured, don't wait to see a doctor. Some injuries don't show up right away. Accidents are overwhelming, but having a clear game plan helps you regain control of the situation. Safety first, gather info, document everything, and get in touch with your insurer quickly. That's how you protect yourself in the middle of a chaotic moment. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.